Zimbabwean Vice President Chiwenga, the architect of the 2017 coup that Togo Robert Mugabe has been summarily dismissed from his post, signaling a violent fracture within the ruling ZANU-PF hierarchy. The removal, confirmed by state sources late Tuesday, effectively decapitates the military-aligned faction that has governed the nation for the last 7 years. This tectonic shift in Harare leaves the country's fragile economy and security apparatus in state of unprecedented volatility. Zadabena mashoko arikuda panguva ino achinyorwa neZVAITWA. Panguva ino achiti VP Chiwenga is fired, a nation on the brink of political collapse. Zadabena mashoko arikuda panguva ino kuchinokwa kunzi General Chiwenga vari panguva yakaoma. Anytime chinogona kukala nekuda kwokuti ari kuonekwa kunzi general ari kunyasa kuthreatena zvikanada. Rotibva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda mubudani pamuchikosa Chiwenga's rise began in 2017 when, as commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, he led the Operation Restore Legacy campaign, forcing the resignation of long-time autocrat Robert Mugabe. Since then, he has served as the primary power broker behind the President Emmerson Mnangagwa. However, changes have simmered for years over succession plans and the control of Zimbabwe's lucrative diamond and gold mining sectors. According to recent reports, the friction reached a breaking point following a series of high-level intelligence briefings that suggested Chiwenga was consolidating military support to challenge Mnangagwa's constitutional authority ahead of the 2028 election cycle. The firing of Chiwenga is not merely a domestic squabble, it is a regional scrutiny security crisis. Zimbabwe serves as a linchpin of the Southern African Development Community SADC, and a fractured Zimbabwe threatens the stability of the entire bloc. The removal of military heavyweight like Chiwenga risks a mutiny within the rank and file of the Zimbabwe National Army, says Dr. Tendai Mufomi, a regional security analyst. With the military splits, we are looking at a scenario similar to the destabilization seen in Mozambique, which would force SADC to intervene, potentially triggering a broader conflict that would devastate the economies of Southern Africa and Botswana. The immediate future for Zimbabwe hinges on whether Chiwenga accepts his dismissal or opts for resistance. If he rallies his loyalists within the Joint Operation Command (OC), the country could face a period of martial law or a secondary, more violent coup attempt. International observers, including the African Union and United Nations, are reportedly scrambling to mediate, but their influence remains limited. As the situation evolves, Southern Africa must prepare for the possibility of a total collapse of the Zimbabwean state, an outcome that would trigger mass migration and humanitarian emergencies across the region for years to come. Doma developments arikubuda ajungwa muzvinews.live pamusoro pekufayiwa kwaVP Chiwenga. In the comment section, medu dzafugura aim out kudiva pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.